Hey, what's up, everyone? Graham Stephan here. Have you ever thought about how much our world relies on technology? It's everywhere. From the smartphone in your pocket to the apps you use every day, tech is the driving force behind it all. In 2025 and beyond, the demand for tech skills is going to explode. Companies of all sizes are going to be competing to find people who can code, design, analyze data, and more. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, these aren't just buzzwords, they're the future. And those who have a solid understanding of these technologies will have a huge advantage. Whether you're just starting out or looking to switch careers, there are tons of resources available to help you gain valuable tech skills. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about making money with tech in 2025. Look around you. Laptops, smartphones, smart homes. Technology has become an integral part of our lives. As we move towards a more digital world, the demand for skilled tech professionals is skyrocketing. Businesses across every industry are scrambling to find people who can build websites, develop apps, manage networks, and navigate the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity. The beauty of tech is that it's not limited by geographical boundaries. With the rise of remote work, you can literally work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Imagine coding from a beach in Bali or managing projects from a cozy cafe in Paris. Now you might be thinking, but Graham, I don't have a computer science degree. Is it even possible for me to break into the tech industry? Absolutely. In today's world, a traditional four-year degree is no longer the only path to success, especially in the tech field. There are countless online courses, boot camps, and self-learning resources that can equip you with the skills you need to thrive. The key is to identify your interests and passions within the tech world, and then focus your energy on developing those skills. So, embrace the challenge, stay curious, and watch as you open doors to a world of incredible opportunities. Alright, let's dive into the specific tech skills that will be in high demand in 2025 and beyond. First up, we have artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is a rapidly growing field, with applications in almost every industry imaginable. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is already changing the world as we know it. We're talking about roles like AI engineers, machine learning specialists, and data scientists. Next we have cybersecurity. With the increasing amount of data being stored and shared online, the need for cybersecurity professionals has never been greater. We're talking ethical hackers, security analysts, and network security engineers. AI and machine learning. The future is now. Imagine teaching computers to think like humans, to learn from data, and to make predictions. That's the power of AI and machine learning. And it's transforming industries from healthcare to finance to entertainment. Netflix uses AI to recommend movies you might like. Amazon uses it to personalize your shopping experience. And self-driving cars? That's AI in action, folks. The possibilities are truly limitless. There are tons of online courses and resources available to help you learn the fundamentals of AI and machine learning. You can start with basic concepts like data analysis and programming, and gradually work your way up to more advanced topics like deep learning and natural language processing. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Now let's move on to cybersecurity. In today's digital world, data is the new gold. And just like gold, it needs to be protected. That's where cybersecurity professionals come in. They are the digital guardians who safeguard our data from cyber attacks, data breaches, and other online threats. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is only going to grow in the coming years. So, if you're looking for a stable and lucrative career path, cybersecurity is definitely worth considering. Finally, let's talk about blockchain. You've probably heard of it in the context of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but blockchain is much more than just crypto. It's a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform a wide range of industries. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized and secure way to record and verify transactions. Imagine a digital ledger that is distributed across multiple computers, making it virtually impossible to tamper with. And once you grasp the basics, you'll be amazed at the incredible opportunities that await you in this rapidly growing field. Unlock your potential. Learning is your power-up. Now you might be wondering, Graham, how do I actually acquire these in-demand tech skills? And that's the million-dollar question. But here's the good news. Learning tech skills has never been easier or more accessible. Gone are the days when you needed a fancy computer science degree to break into the industry. Today there are countless paths you can take to level up your tech game. So let's dive into the different options available and help you discover the perfect learning path to unlock your tech potential. Online courses have revolutionized the way we learn, providing unparalleled flexibility and convenience. Imagine learning valuable tech skills from the comfort of your own home, at your own pace, and on your own schedule. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Udacity, and Khan Academy offer a vast library of courses covering a wide range of tech topics. Many of these courses are taught by industry experts and professionals, giving you access to real-world insights and practical knowledge. Plus, with online forums and communities, you can connect with fellow learners, ask questions, and get support along the way. They allow you to learn at your own pace, revisit concepts as needed, and fit your education around your busy schedule. It's like having a personalized tech tutor available to you 24/7. If you're looking for a more immersive and accelerated learning experience, tech boot camps might be the perfect fit for you. Think of boot camps as the tech world's equivalent of military training, but instead of learning how to fire a weapon, you're learning how to code, design, and build the future. Boot camps are typically short-term, intensive programs that focus on teaching you the most in-demand tech skills in a condensed time frame. They're designed to get you job-ready quickly, often with career support and job placement assistance. Boot camps are known for their rigorous curriculum, hands-on projects, and collaborative learning environments. However, keep in mind that boot camps require a significant time and financial commitment. Just be prepared to put in the hard work and dedication required to succeed. For those who thrive on independence and self-motivation, self-study can be a rewarding and empowering way to learn tech skills. Self-study requires discipline, focus, and a thirst for knowledge. You'll need to be proactive in seeking out resources, setting your own learning goals, and holding yourself accountable. The good news is that there's an abundance of free and affordable learning resources available online. From interactive coding tutorials and documentation, to online communities and forums, you can find everything you need to guide your self-study journey. Self-study allows you to learn at your own pace, focus on the topics that interest you most, and tailor your education to your specific career goals. It's a journey of self-discovery and continuous learning where the only limits are your own curiosity and determination. The remote revolution, your passport to freedom. Alright, so you've got the tech skills, you're ready to conquer the world, but the thought of being stuck in a stuffy office all day makes you want to scream into the void. Well, guess what? The future of work is remote. That's right, ditch the commute, say goodbye to uncomfortable office attire, and embrace the freedom to work from anywhere with a decent Wi-Fi connection. Thanks to the rise of remote work, the world is your oyster. Picture this. You're sipping a cappuccino in a Parisian cafe, laptop open, coding away on your latest project. Or maybe you're nestled in a hammock on a tropical beach, the sound of waves crashing in the background as you finalize a design for a global client. Remote work offers a level of flexibility and autonomy that traditional office jobs simply can't match. Plus, you'll save time and money on commuting, which means more time for the things you love. Finding your dream remote gig, where to look. Now you're probably wondering, where do I find these amazing remote tech jobs? Well, you're in luck because the internet is teeming with opportunities. One of my favorites is, of course, LinkedIn. Make sure your profile is up to date, highlight your skills and experience, and start connecting with people in your field. Another great resource is Indeed.com. They have a dedicated section for remote jobs, and you can filter by location, experience level, and even salary range. And don't forget about specialized job boards like We Work Remotely, Remote.co, and FlexJobs. Remember, finding your dream remote job takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Freelancing, be your own tech boss. But hey, maybe the traditional 9-to-5, even a remote one, isn't your style. Maybe you crave the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss. Well, my friend, freelancing might be the perfect path for you. As a tech freelancer, you get to choose your own clients, set your own rates, and work on projects that excite you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal connect freelancers with clients from all over the world, offering a steady stream of potential projects. The key to freelance success is to build a strong portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. Remember, freelancing is all about building relationships and delivering exceptional work. Section 4. Building your online presence. Showcasing your skills. Now, whether you're searching for remote jobs or diving into the world of freelancing, one thing remains constant. You need a killer online presence. Think of your online presence as your digital storefront, the first impression you make on potential clients and employers. And trust me, in the tech world, first impressions matter. Start by creating a professional website or portfolio that showcases your skills, experience, and projects. Highlight your technical abilities, but don't forget to inject some personality into your writing. Let your passion shine through. Next, spruce up your LinkedIn profile. Make sure your headline is attention-grabbing, your summary highlights your key accomplishments, and your experience section is up to date. And don't underestimate the power of social media. Platforms like Twitter and Instagram can be great tools for networking, sharing your work, and staying up to date on industry trends. Just remember to keep it professional and avoid posting anything that could jeopardize your chances of landing your dream gig. Section 5. Landing that first tech job from application to interview. Alright, you've got the skills, you've built your online presence, and you've found some amazing job opportunities. Now comes the fun part. Landing that first tech job. But don't worry, I've got your back. First things first, tailor your resume and cover letter to each specific job description. Highlight the skills and experience that are most relevant to the role. And don't be afraid to use keywords from the job posting. Remember, hiring managers are often sifting through hundreds of applications, so make yours stand out. Once you've submitted your application, it's time to prepare for the interview. Practice answering common interview questions, research the company and the role thoroughly, and be prepared to discuss your skills and experience in detail. And most importantly, be yourself. Let your personality shine through, and don't be afraid to show your passion for technology. Remember, an interview is a two-way street. It's an opportunity for you to learn more about the company and the role, and to assess whether it's the right fit for you. So, relax, be confident, and show them what you're made of. Alright, you're on your way to becoming a tech superstar, but here's the thing, you don't have to do it alone. In fact, building a strong network in the tech industry is like having a secret weapon in your arsenal. Think of it like this, you're surrounded by a whole community of brilliant minds, all passionate about technology, all eager to connect and collaborate. These are the people who can offer advice, share job leads, and even collaborate on exciting projects. They're your cheerleaders, your sounding boards, and sometimes your partners in crime when it comes to conquering the tech world. So how do you tap into this incredible resource? Well, it starts with putting yourself out there. Attend industry events, conferences, and meetups. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations, ask questions, and share your own experiences. Remember, everyone's there to learn and connect, so embrace the opportunity to expand your network. Remember that choose your own adventure we talked about earlier? Well, the tech world is kind of like that. But the story never really ends. Technology is constantly evolving, new trends emerge at lightning speed, and what's considered cutting edge today might be outdated tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to embrace a mindset of continuous learning. Think of it like this: your education isn't a destination, it's a journey. The moment you stop learning is the moment you start falling behind. But don't worry, this doesn't mean you have to enroll in a new course every week. It's about staying curious, exploring new technologies, and constantly expanding your skill set. Make it a habit to read industry blogs, listen to tech podcasts, and experiment with new tools and frameworks. Section 3. Building your personal brand. You are your own best advocate. In the vast and ever-expanding universe of tech, it's easy to feel like a small fish in a big pond. But here's the thing: you are unique. You have your own set of skills, experiences, and perspectives that make you stand out from the crowd. And that, my friend, is the foundation of your personal brand. Think of your personal brand as your reputation in the tech world, your digital fingerprint. It's what sets you apart from the competition and makes you memorable to potential clients and employers. So, how do you build a strong personal brand? It starts with identifying your strengths and passions. What are you exceptionally good at? What are you most passionate about within the tech industry? Once you have a clear understanding of your strengths and passions, it's time to start sharing them with the world. Craft a compelling story around your skills and experiences. Highlight your accomplishments, share your insights, and let your personality shine through. Section 4. Embrace the challenges. Setbacks are stepping stones. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the journey to tech success isn't always sunshine and rainbows. There will be challenges along the way. You might encounter roadblocks in your learning, face rejection when applying for jobs, or even feel overwhelmed by the sheer pace of the industry. But here's the thing: setbacks are an inevitable part of any journey worth taking. They're not failures, they're learning opportunities. Remember, even the most successful tech entrepreneurs and developers have faced their fair share of challenges. The key is to embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. In fact, some of the most valuable lessons come from our biggest blunders. When you encounter a setback, take some time to reflect on what went wrong, identify areas for improvement, and use that knowledge to propel yourself forward. Remember, the tech world is all about innovation and problem solving. So, embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing towards your goals. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed together through the exciting and sometimes daunting landscape of making money with tech skills in 2025. Remember how we talked about the future being driven by technology? How AI, cybersecurity, and even blockchain are shaping the world around us? Well, that future isn't some far-off fantasy. It's being built right now, and you can be a part of it. The skills we discussed: coding, data analysis, cybersecurity, even creative problem-solving in the digital space. These are your tickets to a world of opportunity. We're talking about careers with incredible potential for growth, flexibility, and yes, earning serious money. Think about it. You could be designing the next killer app, building secure systems to protect vital information, or even pioneering new uses for AI that we haven't even imagined yet. The beauty is, you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. Whether you choose to dive into online courses, immerse yourself in a boot camp, or chart your own path with self-study, the resources are out there. What matters most is taking that first step, making the commitment to learn, and never stopping. Section 2. Take action today. Your tech journey starts now. Remember that feeling you get when you finally conquer a challenging level in a video game? That sense of accomplishment, that I did it moment? That's what awaits you on this journey. Every new skill you acquire, every project you complete, every connection you make, it's all progress towards building the future you envision. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. The tech industry embraces those who are willing to learn, adapt, and push boundaries. So what are you waiting for? The future of tech is being written right now, and it's calling your name. If you're ready to take the leap, hit that subscribe button below, and check out the links in the description for some amazing resources to kickstart your tech journey. And hey, let me know in the comments what skills you're most excited to learn. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep coding your future.